जय नारायण बच्चों, आई होप you all are doing good. I hope you are following SMS rule. S means what? S means soap. You have to wash your hands with soap for 30 seconds. And M for mask. You have to wear your mask whenever you go outside. And S for social distancing. You have to maintain social distance of 6 feet or 2 meter. Okay. So today we are going to start a new topic from the same chapter, adjectives, and your topic is degrees of comparison. Degrees of comparison means when we use adjectives in order to compare, they change their forms. Adjectives change their forms, and that is called degrees of comparison. Examples: Raju is tall. Here there is no comparison, it is your positive degree. When there is no comparison, you use positive degree. Aman is taller than Raju. There is comparison between Aman and Raju. So we use comparative degree, that is taller. And then THAN we use for comparison. This word we use for comparison. And C1 is Rahul is the tallest of the three. This is your superlative degree. When we compare more than two nouns or pronouns, there we use superlative degree. And what is a rule of superlative degree? Before your superlative degree, we write article the. As you can see in this example, these change forms are called degrees of comparison. Adjectives have 3 degrees of comparison, which are as follows, as we have already discussed. Roy is a strong boy. Roy is stronger than Ram. Raja is the strongest of the 3 boys. Now see, we will see degrees of comparison. High, higher, highest. Bad, worse, worst. Many, more, most. Sad, sadder, saddest. See, in this some are regular and some are irregular. When we change the degrees of adjectives, so they change their forms. The word doesn't change completely, but they change their forms. The words, they change their forms. That is called regular. And irregular, when the word is completely changed. Like bad, it is completely changed. Worse, and then worst. Many, in this it is completely changed. Many, more, most. So such words are called irregular. And high, higher, highest, sad, sadder, saddest. Here they change their forms. The word doesn't change completely, but only they change their forms. So these are called regular. Angry, angrier, angriest. Dirty, dirtier, dirtiest. Big, bigger, biggest. Fast, faster, fastest. So these all are the examples of degrees of comparison. Now, how do we form these comparative and superlative degrees of adjectives? We will see some rules. First one is by adding er and est. When we add er or and est, so when we add er, it becomes comparative. When we add est, it becomes superlative. Clever, cleverer, cleverest. Rich, richer, richest. Second one, we also add r or st, that is brave, braver, bravest. Third one is when your word ends with your consonant and before that consonant there is another consonant, so we remove y and we write ier or and iest. In comparative we write ier, and in superlative we write iest. Easy, easier, easiest. Happy, happier, happiest. Fourth one, we add est. That's how you form your comparative and superlative degrees of comparison. Fifth one, see, we have seen one rule: when your word ends with consonant and before that consonant there's another consonant, but there we use ier and iest. But when your word ends with consonant and before that consonant there is a vowel, so we double the consonant and then add est, like big, bigger, biggest. Hot, hotter, hottest. Fat, fatter, fattest. In some words, we don't write like this EROES and EST. It changes like beautiful, more beautiful. We add more in comparative and most in superlative. More beautiful, most beautiful. Difficult, more difficult, most difficult. Suitable, more suitable, more suitable. As we have already discussed about irregular. The irregular words good, better, best, bad, worse, worst, where the word gets completely changed. Now there are some features. Not all adjectives form their comparative and superlative degrees by following the above rules, like bad or good. Double comparatives and superlatives should not be used at all. Like this is wrong. More prettier. Prettier is already comparative, so we don't need to add more in it. It will be wrong. Most tallest. It is obviously it is wrong. Tallest is the superlative degree. It is already superlative degree, so there is no need to add most. It gets wrong. Now the last topic is use of older, oldest, elder, eldest. Where do we use these words? See, when in order to compare your siblings, like आपको बताना है कि आपका एक छोटा भाई है, तो आप लोग क्या यूज करते हैं? स्मॉलर, विच इज रॉन्ग. ही इज younger than you, not smaller than you. Smaller तो we use for size ना, so he's not smaller than you, he is younger than you. In the same way, when you have to tell कि आपकी sister या आपका brother आपसे बड़े हैं, so you use elder. और सबसे बड़े भाई के लिए eldest, that is called superlative. So for persons we use elder and eldest. Older and oldest we can use for both persons and things. Soma is the oldest girl in our team. That is the oldest monument in the city. Rohan is older than his sister. Yeah. So I hope you must have understood this. This is your homework. Identify the adjectives and name the degrees of comparison of each. The first one has been done for you. The young man was more successful than his friend. Young is positive. More successful is comparative. So that's how you have to tell. You have to identify the adjectives and you have to name the degrees of comparison of each. Thank you for the day. Jai Narayana.